Introducing the Hamilton Beach Air Fryer with oven, toaster, and grill. Hamilton Beach is America's #1 brand in kitchen appliances, with over 100 years of innovation. This brand is approved by chefs all over the world and India. This Hamilton Beach Air Fryer OTG is a 6-in-1 appliance. Now, using the air fryer mode, you can cook your foods such as French fries, nuggets, samosas, and fried chicken with little or no oil. This is a multi-purpose and versatile product, enabling you to bake cakes or cookies, broil your meat, toast your bread, grill your tikkas and kebabs, or dehydrate your food. The Hamilton Beach Air Fryer with OTG features a dual heating element with a fan, thereby creating a 360-degree rapid heat circulation with SureCrisp technology, ensuring that food is perfect and crispy on the outside and juicy and tender inside. The Hamilton Beach Air Fryer OTG features a roll-up door, giving you complete access to the food you're cooking. It also features non-emissive glass technology, which helps you monitor your food while it's being cooked without any heat loss. No hassle of opening and shaking the food in your air fryer. It comes with a huge 16-liter capacity, helping you to make 4 to 6 toasts in one go, or even grill a whole chicken. If that's not enough, it is the only air fryer in which you can cook a 12-inch pizza. It features an easy-to-use manual control with stay-on function, on which you get a 5-year warranty. This unlimited control and preset menu helps you to unleash the chef in you to deliver restaurant-like results at home.